everyone, my name is Vina Regina. I will explain about a short and w sound. For the first, this is the conversation about w sound. Zaya asked Rhea to help her homework about w sound.
Ray, would you like to help my homework? I don't understand about that.
What type to do?
Do you know about W sound?
I know.
Can you explain about W sound for me?
Okay, I will explain about W sound. To make the sound w, the lips form a tight circle w. The back part of the tongue stretches up toward the soft palate, while the front part of the tongue likely touches the back of the bottom from teeth. I will give you an example of W sound. Rework. W. Away. W. Well. W. Welcome. W. Why. W. Between. W.
Well, thank you, Ray. Now I understand what W sound is.
And for the second, I will explain about a short. Let's start it. So, to make these sounds, you basically do nothing. Absolutely nothing with your mouth, with your jaw, with your lips, your tongue. You do nothing. You completely relax everything. And you just produce sounds. No, if you stress it too much or you make it too long, you're gonna get different sounds like which we're gonna look at in another video, and that sounds if you make it too long. So be careful. It's very short and relaxed, and always unstressed. Let's have a look at some words. So the first one I have about. No, ever took I have that a. The spelling a there in the word. Careful that you're not pronouncing like an a, as in apple, okay? It's not about, but it's very soft and very big. About. The next one is supply. Above. Affect. Afraid. America. Alone. Enemy. Problem. Okay, I think it's enough for me to explain about a short and w sound. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.